Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend Friday, March the 5th, 2021. The additional, I will only do 4 Sudokus. I've already done the 3-star Sudoku, so 3 puzzles left. The 4-star Sudoku, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Alright, the second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku. Alright. I need to position the camera, and this will be number 2424. Alright, 2424. 2424. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I see here 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this big square, so no 4 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes, 4 and an 8. We see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay. And now. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4, 6. Okay, 4, 6, 4, 6. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, we see there 1. So no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. How about the number? Let me see. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. Need to wait. Yeah. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. Let me see. 3. I'm scanning. 7, 7, 7. 4, 1. 1. Okay. 6, 6. 9, 9. Am I stuck? I do not know. I do not know. 3. Yeah. 4, 1, 4, 4, 5, 8. Yeah. I think I need to put some numbers because it's taking too long. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column is 3 in the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, the row below, the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 8, 8, then 8, 5, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next to that column. The only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here in these 3 boxes. We see there 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And we see here a 2 in this column. So we have a 1, 2, and a 4 in this column. So the 1, 2, and the 4 are 3 digits. The 1 and the 2 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. So here could be a 2, here could be 2, here could be 2. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Should be the 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. We have here a pair, 8 and the 5. Alright, 8 and the 5. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Let me mark those because we have a 6 in this big square. 6, 3, and the 9. Yeah, the 9. I need a 9. Okay. Let me see. We have here 1. So this should be also a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the middle row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here or there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 9. Alright, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes. The middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 7 and 2. Yes, we have a pair. In this big square. 4 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with a 9 as a pair. Alright, 2 and a 9. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? The number 7 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 here, 7 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6. Yes, I've marked those two boxes with the 6. Now, one box left for the 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. Alright, 2 boxes left for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, one number left in this column. We have here 9 and a 2. One box left should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 5 and 8. Alright, we have a pair, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5 here. Remember those. The other pair in this big square should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright, now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these two boxes. So one digit left should be the 4. So the 1 and the 2 goes here. 1 and the 2 as a pair. 1 and the 2, alright. 8 and a 5, 1 and the 2. So this should be 8 and a 5 also as a pair. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and a 2, 8 and a 5. So what is the other pair? The third pair should be the numbers 4 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark those. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 8 and a 5, 1 and a 2. Alright. 4 and a 6, 8 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. One box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 2, 4. Okay. 2, 9, 5. 2, 9, 5. 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, one box left for the 6. Alright, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. Can I continue with the 1? No. 9 and a 2, 9 and a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 9, 1, and the 6 is missing. Yes. In the middle row, one of the missing numbers is 6. I need a 6 in one of these 3 boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only box left for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so I have those 2 boxes marked with the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So now 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and 8. Alright, how about those 2 boxes? 8 and a 5. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Yes, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. 3 should be here. Yes, and 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 9. Yes, alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And then 2 and 5. Okay. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and 8. 5 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. How about the 1? And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. How about this number in the first column? The missing number here is the number 8. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5 and 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. This should be a 5. And this box in this column should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 is here, and 2 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 8, 5 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. Now we have 8 there, so this can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? No, I think it's whether a 2 stars or a 3 stars, but not a 4 stars. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 puzzles. That will be a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.